Hello everyone, I'm Mara. In this video, I share with you the 7 steps to Qigong Breathing so you can start gathering energy right now. Before we begin, make sure that you are away from any heavy machinery or dangerous tools, such as power tools, sharp objects, and cars. This should only be done while sitting still, laying still, or standing still. Now that we understand safe practice for this exercise, let's get started. Press the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth and back of your teeth. Let your lips rest gently against each other. Tilt the chin slightly, which will relax the back of your neck. Imagine yourself suspended by a string from the top of your head, drawing towards the ceiling. Cave the chest slightly to relax your shoulders, allowing it to be humble instead of proud. Rest on your tailbone if you are sitting by curling the lower hip joint to point towards the chest. If you are laying down, bring your feet over a pillow so that your knees are slightly bent. Let the eyesight fall 3 feet in front of you and draw your gaze inwards, allowing your focused sight to come to a rest. Relax into inhalation, breathing softly from below the ribs. Visualize an area below the navel and guide the breath to collect into this field. Pause briefly and relax to exhale. Pause once more to finish a cycle before inhaling again. Practice up to 8 repetitions of breathing when first starting out, and be mindful of any signs of increased irritation in your mind, which is a sign that you should take a few days of rest in between. Correct, slow, and steady pace of this practice, day by day, leads to an increased mental relaxation, a sense of well-being, and clarity. Try this exercise whenever you remember, or dedicate some time every day to putting it into practice when it is right for you. If you found the experience of this exercise helpful or interesting, I encourage you to click on the screen and check out my video where I talk about shoulder relaxation and joint relaxation exercises for a healthy body.